Here are some of the things I hate.
Dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 dip.
You know what I hate? My coworker's haircut. Now I know you probably couldn't tell because it was just a voiceover, but haircut was using quotations because all he did was shave his stupid head and let it grow. Basically what Caveman did, like might as well saw off his hair with like a piece of bone or something. He's a retard. He looks like a medieval knight from like the Crusader era, like on a quest for like the Grail or something, because he's got like those crappy bangs. It's clearly longer in places. It's like spots where like these weird curls stick out. I hate it. It just basically looks like Medusa. It's like long snakes. Disgusting. Yeah, the other day, me and my coworker Steve were sitting down and this girl comes up to us and she was like, "Oh, hey, by the way, Steve, I really like your haircut. I like it long. You should keep it like that or grow it out." And I looked at her and I was like, no it doesn't. Like, have you seen it with your eyes? Or are you using other senses like smell? He looks like a big baby whose hair hasn't grown in fully yet. I just want to clarify that I do not have a good haircut by any stretch of the imagination at all. Mine's pretty crappy for the most part. But compared to this guy, I look like Fabio with like John Stamos, like if they had a baby. At least I get a haircut. I put scissor to hair every now and then and I fix it up, you know? Jesus. This haircut sucks shit.
Dip 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 doody dow ba doopy doo ba da da dip 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 doody dow ba doopy